Ethereum value equivalent to 34,243 rands a coin. The present cost range, 33,803. 34,683. The earlier day close, 34,264. The change was 0.06%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, August 3. Cost 35,674 rands. High 38,171. Low 33,177. Ethereum estimate on Friday, August 4. Cost 36,014 rands. High 38,535. Low 33,493. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, August 7. Cost 35,156 rands. High 37,617. Low 32,695. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 35,787 rands. High 38,292. Low 33,282. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 36,101 rands. High 38,628. Low 33,574. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, August 10. Cost 35,518 rands. High 38,004. Low 33,032. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, August 11. Cost 35,427 rands. High 37,907. Low 32,947. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, August 14. Cost 35,611 rands. High 38,104. Low 33,118. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 34,872 rands. High 37,313. Low 32,431. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 35,410 rands. High 37,889. Low 32,931. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 17. Cost 34,585 rands. High 37,006. Low 32,164. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, August 18. Cost 34,501 rands. High 36,916. Low 32,086. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 21. Cost 34,874 rands. High 37,315. Low 32,433. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 34,300 rands. High 36,701. Low 31,899. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23. Cost 33,376 rands. High 35,712. Low 31,040. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, August 24. Cost 32,609 rands. High 34,892. Low 30,326. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, August 25. Cost 32,474 rands. High 34,747. Low 30,201. Ethereum gauge on Monday, August 28. Cost 31,902 rands. High 34,135. Low 29,669. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, August 29. Cost 31,358 rands. High 33,553. Low 29,163. In about a month Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, August 30. Cost 33,824 rands. High 36,192. Low 31,456. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, August 31. Cost 33,506 rands. High 35,851. Low 31,161. Ethereum gauge on Friday, September 1. Cost 33,445 rands. High 35,786. Low 31,104. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place, cost at 29,262 rands. Exorbitant cost 33,831. while low cost 29,262. The found the middle value of cost 30,993. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 31,618. Change for December 8.1%. Ethereum gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 31,618 rands. Exorbitant cost 35,710. While low cost 31,038. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 32,935. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 33,374. Change for January 5.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 33,374 rands. Excessive cost 39,391. While low cost 33,374. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 35,738. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 36,814. Change for February 10.3%. Ethereum figure for WOC 2024. Initially cost at 36,814 rands. Excessive cost 41,969. While low cost 36,477. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 38,621. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 39,223. Change for spring 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 39,223 rands. Excessive cost 48,684. While low cost 39,223. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 43,157. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 45,499. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum figure for May 2024. To start with cost at 45,499 rands. Exorbitant cost 45,499. While low cost 38,697. The found the middle value of cost 42,826. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 41,610. Change from May 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at 41,610 rands. Exorbitant cost 45,235. While low cost 39,317. The found the middle value of cost 42,110. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 42,276. Change for June 1.6%. Ethereum gauge for July 2024. In the first place cost at 42,276 rands. Exorbitant cost 52,473. While low cost 42,276. The found the middle value of cost 46,516. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 49,040. Change for July 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place cost at 49,040 rands. Exorbitant cost 49,000.